Alright, chat, welcome back to another recap. Today is uh 29th of April, I guess. Yeah, 2026, and it's Wednesday, and I've taken like two trades on Nasdaq today. One when I was in front of my desk, another one when I was outside because after the first uh break even, I was like, all right, man. One of my friend called me that he has something to do outside. Maybe he was like, "Yo, man, let's go shopping." So I went outside, bought some stuff. I mean, he bought some stuff, and then, while I was um on the car, I took this trade, and you could see I had a two position here and exit around here. That's like how many points? 50 points. But yeah, man. So that's the only W that I've had today. But so far, I had a mixed bias today. I'll show you why I've taken this trade, and I also took another trade during London session on gold. And I'm gonna show you guys something today that most of you have been telling me that, oh, I mean, some of you have been saying that, oh man, you just paper trade, okay? You guys been like, you paper trade, you cannot do that shit on live accounts or whatever. So I'll show you guys what I can do, and I'll show you this paper trading account, okay? And yeah, man, before getting into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and make sure to check out Lucid Funding. 40% discount still going on. Use my code NEXTGEN. And yeah, man, make sure to check the description. So why did I take this first trade? Okay, so the first trade, we have taken out this sell side at around 8:30. Okay, so 8:30 swapped this sell side, as you can see, but we could have went higher if I've like seen this wick down, like the 831 candle took out. If 831 swapped this low right here, then we had another drop below that low, then we could have actually went higher. But just because it didn't do that, price came down all the way below that low. And on the 15-minute time frame, I think, yeah, it took out this sell side, tapped into, it took out this sell side right here, and then look where it tapped. Okay, so this gap right here, 10:35 a.m. We tapped the lower I mean upper quadrant to the pip. All right, to the tick. Really look at this, to the tick. Okay, and look what's happening here. We swapped this sell side, but we closed above it, right? The next candle then closed above it. When I saw that, I was like, okay, this has potential to go higher, right? I think I'm missing something. All right, so I'm missing this one. So the reason for this trade was that we tapped into this. Did you tap into this? This order block right here. Okay, we tapped into this order block. Then you could have used this IFVG, like low of that IFVG. You could see it was respecting the lower low of that gap. So I entered a long there. I had my stop loss just below that candle's low, somewhere around here, I think. Let me see. It's something like this, I think. It did move like almost like 1:6 R, but yeah, when it was having this retracement, I trailed my stop loss right around here, and yeah, we took a break even there. Then right around here after the 9:30, with a huge stop, you could see we closed back above the sell side liquidity. Then we had this BC right here. Okay, we tapped into that, respected the midpoint of the gap. Then we had these order block right there. That down close candle was the order block, but I think I didn't wait for price to tap into that order block. I entered when we took out these lows right there, there, that was my first entry. Then I added to my position, so the average position was like something like this. And if you trust me, like I had my stop loss just below that low. Why? Because we have tested that auto block for here. All right, we have tested it here, but I was like, I think it could not. It should. I mean, it should not come back to that auto block again. But if it does, I'll have my stop loss just below this candle's low, the one that tested that auto block, then took out this buy side. So I had my stop loss just below that low, right there, and you could see never came below, came down below that candle's low, and we ended up creeping higher, and we took out this buy side. And just because I was outside, I was didn't target it too much. I could have targeted these equal lows, I mean highs, but I was like, I was not feeling it. Okay, that's why I didn't target too much. I targeted this pre 930 high. As you guys know, I love pre 830 and pre 930 highs and lows as my drawn liquidities. So yeah, that was the trade. And pretty much you could see we tested this BC right here another time outside of the kill zone. I think this right here is the high of the day, bro. I think. I mean, we have the London sessions high. This was the last retracement. I think price could retrace lower, maybe go lower. Now let's show you the gold trade. Okay, here is the gold trade. The first one is a paper trade. I haven't taken this first trade. Look at the exit. You see the exit. Now I couldn't take this on my live account because um, I wasn't that much confident about this trade. But once we rejected from here, I wanted to take a short from this order block right here. This order block. Now I'm not gonna say why that is the order block, but I wanted to take a short from there, but it moved without me. I mean, the move to the downside was too fast. I didn't get the time to enter the position, but I entered right here. Why? Because look at this. We had this reclaimed gap right here, and trust me, I had my stop just above this high. Why? Because once I see a failure swing forms within a reclaimed fair value gap, and I'm expecting lower prices, I want to see a lower high form. All right, with that in mind, as soon as I saw this swing high form, I entered the trade. And let me show you the execution on my live account. So here's the trade. There you go. So as soon as I saw that candle close, that swing high formation, I entered the trade. I had my stop loss just above that high. Price did pushed a little bit higher, but failed to push above it, and I ended up cutting the trade within this gap right here. So that was almost like a, how many are, that was almost like a 8-hour trade, and I think I made around like, how much did I make on that trade? Let me see. I made something on the trade, and I'll show you the history of this paper trading account. So whenever you see me taking this paper trades, don't just assume that I'm only taking those trades on here. I'm also taking those trades on my live account as well, and I'm gonna show you the stats when the time comes. So I made around like 190 bucks on that trade, this trade. Now that's not much, but that's enough for me, and I'm on like I think 3 days winning streak, 3 days winning streak. So yeah, man. But look what happened, dude. Oh, holy shit, bro. That should move like, oh, the electricity is gone, bro. Fuck me. Oh, I think I have another light. Whatever, you can see me. But it moved like 54 hour, bro. Fucking hell. Yeah, so these are the trade that I've taken today. And yeah, I hope you guys found something useful, maybe learned something new today. If you did, give a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Let's hit 1,000 subscriber before like May ends. All right, that's my request, you could say. And yeah, man. So for the okay, let me just show you guys the paper trading account stats. All right, so look at this. This is my paper trading account. I've only taken a last 24 on 24th of April, right? So that day isn't a red day for me. I was still profitable on that day. You could see, right? So that was a winning day, and rest of the days you could see it. So that's the stat, and yeah, all the trades are here. I have nothing to hide. I don't expect you to uh like believe me. All I want if want you to all I want from you is to focus on what I'm trying to tell, all right? If you find something valuable in my videos, try to focus on it, maybe learn, and yeah, man, be better, because at the end of the day, nobody cares about me or you. It's only gonna be you who genuinely gonna care about it yourself. mm, Nobody gives a fuck, neither do I, and neither do you. So yeah, man, I love doing this. That's why I'm doing it. And if you find these videos helpful for yourself, I'm glad. And yeah, I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, be safe, and yeah, make sure to check out Lucid Funding. 40% discount still going on. Check out Bybit if you want to trade live on indices, metals, and commodities. Also on forex pairs. That's also a crypto wallet. You can check the link in the description. Go and check it out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on to the next one. Till then, be safe. Take care of your health, your mental health. Peace out, chat.